In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot using Zapier. So to do this, go and open up the Zapier website and sign into your account. Then from the left section here, hover over it with your mouse and just go and click on chatbots. Now they already have a bunch of templates that you can check out right here. So you can search for a specific template if you're looking for something, or you can just scroll through this and see if there's anything for you. For example, here you have an AI chatbot for e-commerce, you have a motivational coach, AI chatbot, bedtime stories, dad jokes, a bunch of random things, but you can just find one that you need. So for example, you can use it for customer support, which is probably what most people want to use it for. So let's say you want to use it for business or customer service, then you just want to go in and select that. Now since this one right here is the most popular, I'll just select this one and click use template. Now it will be building your chatbot based on this template, although you can also start from scratch if you would like to do that. So all you need to do is just give a directive to the chatbot. Then you can choose the greeting here to be static or generated. So generated, and then AI will just do it itself, but I recommend doing the greeting just static. But just go and click on pop out right here, and right here you just want to write the directive. So you will see in between brackets there's a bunch of stuff. For example, insert a few important links here. So just make sure that you enter everything in between brackets, but this template is very helpful. So for example, context, insert background of your product right here. So the more extensive you make this, the more the chatbot will be able to do. Then here insert the ideal audience for this chatbot, include what they are interested in learning or achieving by interacting with your chatbot. Then here enter your product, then enter important links to support documents, for example, and insert a link to your support team, etc. Now here you can choose the model that you want to use, so either GPT 3.5 Turbo or GPT 4o Mini. I'll just keep it to this one. So if you want to use this one, the 4o Mini, it is a bit better, but you will need to pay for it. Otherwise, you can just select Turbo and click Save Changes. And now there's a few things you can do with it. First, I recommend just trying it out. So ask a question right here. For example, you could ask the opening hours, and then you can add that into the directive here so that it knows that that is a question. So I recommend just adding some common Q&As right here so that the chatbot can handle that. So once you're done, you can just go and click either share or embed. So if you click embed, then you can go and add it to your site, but you will see I need to view the plan, so I need to upgrade in order to actually do this. And you will see for the chatbots, the pro plan here is €12.24 per month, where you can build 5 chatbots with 10 custom knowledge sources each, and you can collect lead info and embed it on your website. So after doing that, you will get some code that you can simply go and add to your website. Now if you click view live chatbot, then you can see it right here, so then you can just go and try it out again. Now to fully train it, also go to the knowledge here, where you can add knowledge sources such as a web page, a file, or a table that you have in Zapier. But again, you need to upgrade to get this. Now for the logic, you can choose what you want it to do. So for example, you can request info from the user, you can display the button that triggers a zap, and you can just figure out what you want to do. Here you can change the style, so you can add your own logo, you can choose the colors, so you can add your own logo and favicon. Then in conversations, you can see all the conversations that this chatbot has had in the past 7 days. And in advanced right here, you can choose how creative or predictable or random it is. You can choose the message placeholder, the public name. You can choose the disclosure message, the browser title, and the subdomain right here. Now if you want to not display the built on Zapier label, which you will see in the bottom right, then again you need to upgrade. So now you know how to create a chatbot using Zapier. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next